Where are you?
Dude, he's just backing up with this Mosin.
Where are you? Ramiro.
Dude, we're like behind supermarket.
Is he on the hill?
Yeah, no, he's not.
Does he have a black coat on?
Yeah. Dude, there's two of them.
Yeah, I see him. I killed him! I killed him! I killed him!
I'm dead. Or I'm unconscious. Bro, I'm unconscious. I got shot by a pistol.
Oh really?
Mhm.
So you're not
I'm in the middle of the road. I'm unconscious.
I shot two. Are you dead?
No, I'm unconscious.
They're hitting you with axe, but I just shot two of them. There he is.
I think I'm dead.
I see a second guy.
If I'm alive, oh my god.
I'll save you, dude, don't worry. I think I know where the second guy is.
Dude, all of a sudden I see one guy and then one morphed into three.
Yeah, you saw it too?
Yeah, I'm dead.
You are? I could have saved you, sorry, bro.
Too risky.
There's so many players, dude.
What do you always say?
Okay, well, I'm out of ammo. Well, I have 2 more bullets. I killed them all. Except for one. One just ran off. I see him.
Dude, grab my Mosin ammo, pick up one.
I killed him, he's dead.
So I killed one.
I see him. He's coming at me with a freaking axe. He's dead. I crashed!